Good morning. Welcome to Option Center. It is Friday, 3/25/22. We made it through the week. And if you're new here, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Option Center logo, and subscribe. You guys were looking for a reversal. That's what we're looking for, and I'll show you why. So we have the monthly. We're going to go on multiple time frames. If you're new here, check it from the bird's eye view all the way down to the 65 and see if we can see some other information in the Elliott wave pattern. So we have the monthly, still an inside month, but pushing green, pushing above that 8 EMA. Close up there would be bullish, but we need some follow through next month in order to get this histogram to kind of go away. Depends where the close is, and then a follow through, maybe up more, or maybe even start some divergence on the MACD if we start to get to new highs. Okay, let's go down to the weekly. On the weekly, after falling out of the wedge, had a massive move down into the 382, pushing off that, so we can still, the bullish scenario is still intact. We are getting into major resistance that could, I guess, looks somewhat like a head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That's possible. I don't really like those type of patterns very much. I'm looking at the 20-week MA. We're into it right now. That's right at that on the right hand side. I'm looking at 45.28. We did tag that already. We're right at it. Also, the resistance is a zone around 45.40 area. All right, so looking for at least a pause to pull back at that point on the daily. Trend is our friend. Okay, after breaking down of this out of this downtrend, we came above the 200 MA with confluence of this resistance, now support, and this rising pivot right into it. Also, 100 MA. That's right above about 45.40, right in confluence with the resistance and also the supply area. If you look at this candle, the supply right at the bottom of supply. So you have a zone here that is a reversal area. Now the 8 EMA is finally catching up after wasting a little bit of time trying to catch up with price. Maybe that's all we get to on a reversal. Maybe that's what we're looking for, 44.50. Perhaps the 200, but we're looking for a reversal. Getting down to the 65 minute, we have a little bit of daily resistance that we're getting through now. We do have the expected move of 45.60. That would be at the top of the range for the reversal. And then we have a 4-hour supply up here as well. I don't think we'll get quite up there. It's possible, but I don't think so. Check out this downtrend line for the MACD and the RSI. We're right at it now. So do we have divergence all over the place. Do we actually pop above? It's possible. Let's see. We'll wait and see what price action gives us. We get a reversal candle here in the daily. We'll throw on a few SPXS trades, SQQQ, those type of things out a couple weeks. Okay. Last thing, the Elliott wave. We are right up against the 618. I really want to tag that. Don't want to come short of it. That means it won't mean the same thing. The 618 is really a target for possible 1-2 or an AB from the top. Let's go out just a little bit so we can see what's happening. Ignore these, get those out of here. So from the top here, we had a move WXY perhaps, or ABC, or 1-2. And we're getting right at the 618, which is a probable reversal area for another leg down, either a 3 leg or another WXY or an ABC down, but a whole another unit down is what we're looking for. This is the time frame that we're looking for. So what might happen is if we get this, it might be very similar to this move here, to where when we get down to that C, we had an A, B, C move, but then you see the A, B, C down. So it's almost like a 1-2 here, if you want to consider it that, but retesting the highs. So I suspect that we do the same thing with these MAs. We had this ABC up, and we get the reversal into the time zone, reverse up somehow, somewhere, pretty rapid actually, and then start heading down from that point. That is a possible scenario. That's what I'm looking at. If we start to break above and close candles above this 618, that's going to be negated, and we'll be looking for higher prices. Even though we might pull back, it won't be the same. We'll be looking for higher prices, and perhaps this is a big old flat pattern or a triangle, something like that. Okay, so we're looking for reversal here at the 618. Today, if we get that reversal candle, we'll press into that into next week. And good luck trading, you guys. The number is 4538. It's a zone, so it could be 4540. That would be perfect with the 100 MA and those things. So a lot of confluence right here. Okay, thanks for joining us here at Options Center, looking for the reversal. Have a great day and weekend.